Hi guys, so today we're going to talk about how to give the illusion of having eyebrows and eyelashes. As you can see, the Taxol Chemo removed my eyebrows and my eyelashes, and today I'm going to teach you how to paint them back on and so that they'll look natural and realistic. What you're going to need is two angle brushes, one for your concealer and one for your eyeshadow that you're going to use to paint your eyelashes on. You're going to need eyeshadow, either black or a dark brown, one of these, but I'm going to be using black. You'll also need concealer, and this is Shea Moisture concealer. I absolutely love their products because Shea Moisture products actually are shea butter based, and because the chemo gives you dry skin, it allows you to moisturize your skin a little bit while putting on a little bit of makeup. And I'm also going to use a black NYX eyeliner pencil. So we're going to start with our eyelashes, and I'm going to use the angle brush to put paint our eyelashes on. Our eyelashes? No, eyebrows is what we're doing. That's a little bit of chemo brain. So you're going to take your angle brush and dab it in the black eyeshadow, and we're going to take a line and an additional line, and then you fill them in. Okay. And you can take a wet wipe and dab the brush with the wet wipe first to give you a little bit of dampness before you fill them in. You have an eyebrow. Okay, so now you can kind of tell the difference. I have an eyebrow over here and no eyebrows over here. Now what we're going to do is go in. I like the halo effect for my eyebrows because it kind of defines the fact that I have eyebrows. So I take the contour, the angle brush, and we're going to dab a little bit of the concealer on it. And what you need to do is take a line underneath, use the remainder and go above. Now that we have a little bit of a outline, you're going to take your angle brush and move the concealer up, just cleaning up what you put on previously. Bring it out to the brow area. And like I said, I use the black powder, but you can also use brown. And now we're going to go with the one below. Move it down. And this is how we paint our eyebrows on. Okay, and then I take my finger and just blend it in. You can also use a beauty blender to blend this piece in. So now I have an eyelash, an eyebrow has chemo brain. That's why I can't tell you whether I have an eyelash or eyebrow. Now, this is the eyelash. No, this is the eyebrow. I'll get it right in a minute. This is the eyebrow. And now we're gonna go in and apply eyeliner to give the look of having eyelashes, even though I don't have any eyelashes right now. And you'll be able to tell the difference once we're done. So what you're gonna do is take the eyeliner, and I take black, and you're gonna apply it to your waterline. And after you apply it to your waterline, you're going to take it and you're going to apply a little to the lid. You're not going to go all the way in on the lid. You're going to kind of go from the middle or midway out on the lid. Okay, now you can see the left from the right, and it appears as though I have eyebrows and eyelashes, where you can clearly see on this side of my face I don't have any eyebrows or eyelashes. So with that said, this is a demonstration of putting on eyebrows and temporary eyelashes, where on this side we have no eyebrows and eyelashes.